Dear students, welcome to our Vidyalakshmi YouTube channel. This is Tamilarasan, Max teacher from Vidyalakshmi CBSE school. In today's session, we are going to learn NCERT Max solutions for grade 10 CBSE. Chapter 1, Real Numbers. Today's topic is finding HCF. Before moving into the topic, let us see the important theorem, that is Euclid division lemma. Are you ready to learn Euclid division lemma? Okay. Theorem number 1.1. Dear students, this is Euclid division lemma. Okay, what say the theorem? Given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r. There exist unique integers q and r. A equal to bq plus r. This is the formula of Euclid division lemma. So, what is the theorem? Given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r. Satisfying a equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to less than b. Dear students, I am going to give one example. 7 divided by 3. Okay, I am going to divide 7 divided by 3. So, 2 3s are 6, subtract it, remainder is 1. So, this is 7 is called dividend. This 3 denotes divisor. And 2 is quotient. And final one is remainder. Okay. So, what theorem say? A equal to BQ plus R. So, I am going to take A is 7. That is dividend. Yes or no? Next, what is the B? B is the divisor. 3 is the divisor. So, B equal to 3. And then what is the quotient? 2. So, quotient Q equal to 2. And the remainder is 1. Yes or no? So, I am going to apply here A equal to BQ plus R. This is the theorem. Yes or no? So, substitute here A equal to 7 and B is 3. So, into quotient. What is the quotient? Quotient is 2 plus remainder is 1. So, this is the Euclid division lemma. So, multiply it, yes. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So, A is dividend, which is equal to B is the divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So, which is equal to A. So, 7 equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So, this is Euclid division lemma. Understood, yes? Okay, next, what is the meaning of lemma? A lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. A lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. Okay, so recall it, theorem number 1.1. This is Euclid division lemma, one of the very important. Given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r. Satisfying a equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to or less than b. Okay, this is the remainder. Remainder comes only less than the divisor. See this, what is the remainder is here. What is the divisor is 3. You take any division, comes the remainder is less than the 3. So, 0 less than or equal to remainder less than b. B is divisor. Okay, ma. Next one. I am moving to next one. See this. Euclid division algorithm. What is the algorithm? Euclid division algorithm is a technique to compute the highest common factor HCF. Highest common factor is HCF of 2 or 3 given positive integers. Euclid division algorithm is a technique to compute the highest common factor HCF of 2 or 3 given positive integer. Okay. So step number 1, how to solve the using the Euclid division lemma. So step number 1, apply the division lemma to find Q and R. Q means quotient, R is the remainder, yes, where A equal to BQ plus R. This is Euclid division lemma. Already you know very well. So remainder comes 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Yes. Next, step number 2, if you get R equal to 0, remainder is 0, the HCF is B. B is the divisor, ma. B is the divisor. Yes or no? In case if R not equal to 0, apply Euclid's division lemma to B and R. What is the B? B is the divisor, R is the remainder. You take B to A is the dividend. Divisor comes to dividend. R is remainder. Remainder comes to, what is the B? Divisor. Okay, ma. Continue. Step number 3. Continue the process till the remainder is 0. We are getting remainder is 0 up to continue the procedure. The divisor at this stage will be HCF is A comma B. This is the HCF of A comma B. Okay. Next we are going to example. Okay. First sum, exercise number 1.1. We are going to see using Euclid division algorithm to find HCF of 135 and 225. This is first sum for NCERT textbook, chapter number 1, real number, exercise number 1.1, first sum. This is, I am going to solve it using Euclid division algorithm. This is the underlined word. Find HCF. Okay, how to find? Here what is the given? What is the given? 135 and 225. Yes or no? So which one is greater number? 225 is the larger number. So I am going to take A is 225, comma, I am going to take B is 135. 135. Okay. By Euclid division lemma. By using Euclid division lemma. So what is the formula? A equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Yes or no? Okay. I am going to apply the lemma. What is the value of A? 225 equal to, what is the value of B? 135. So now we need to find quotient and remainder. Okay. This is the dividend, this is the divisor. I am going to divide it. 225 divided by 135. So it is possible for one time. Yes or no? So 1 into 135, 135. So subtract it, 5 minus 5, 0. Take borrow, 12 minus 3 is 9. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the quotient is 1. We are getting quotient is 1 and the remainder is 90. Remainder it is a 0? Not. So remainder is 90 not equal to 0. So I am going to take, this is the divisor comes to dividend. This is the say for theorem. Okay, 135. This remainder comes to divisor. So 90, we are going to find quotient and a remainder. How to find it? How to find it? Divide 135 divided by 90. This is also possible for one time only. So 1 into 90, 90. So what is the remainder? 5. 13 minus 9 is 4. So 45 is the remainder. Quotient is 1. Yes or no? So apply here. Quotient is 1. Remainder is 45. Remainder 45 not equal to 0. Is it? So again process will do it. Okay ma. I am going to take 90 is dividend, which is equal to 45 comes to divisor. So 45. We need to find quotient plus remainder. So what is the quotient? You directly you put, no problem. So 45 2s are 90. So remainder is 0. Remainder comes to 0. We got it. Okay. So therefore remainder is 0. We got remainder is 0. So the process will end. Therefore HCF of, so what is the given two number right here? 135 and 225. 135 and 225, which is equal to, what is the answer we are getting? 90 is the dividend, 45 is the divisor, 2 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. So what is the divisor here? Divisor. So divisor is the HCF. So 45 is the answer. I hope you all are understood it. Okay. Next we moving next sum. Okay. This is HCF of 196 and 38220. Okay. We solving now. Solution. So what is the given? The given two numbers are 196 and 38220. Okay, which one is larger number? Here 38220 greater than 196. So I am going to take A. A is the divided. Which one is larger number? 38220. So I am going to take B is 196. Okay. So write the formula by using Euclid division lemma. So what is the formula? A equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Yes, my dears. So apply here 38220 equal to, what is the value of B is 196. So quotient plus remainder. Now we are going to divide 38220 divided by 196. 38220 196. So I am going to take 1 into 196, subtract it, take borrow, this is 7, this is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 7 minus 9 not possible. So here 2, here comes 17. So 17 minus 9 is 8. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Next 2 bring down. 1862. So I am going to take 9. 9 6 are 54. Remainder is 5 and 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 5 is 86. Remainder is 8. 1 9s are 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. So what is the remainder? Subtract it. Here is 5. Here 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 5 minus 6 not possible. Here 7. 70. Here is 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 7 minus 7 0. 1 minus 1 0. So next digit come down 980. So here 6, here 0. So I apply is 5. Okay, check it. 5 6 are 30. Remainder is 3. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3, 48. Remainder 4. 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So, remainder comes 0. Very, very easy. So, come in just one step. Okay, ma. So, what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. What is the quotient is? 195. So, tell which one is the divisor for HCF. Which one is the divisor? 196. This is dividend. 196 is divisor. 195 is quotient. Remainder is 0. Therefore, the remainder is 0. Therefore, the remainder is 0. Therefore, HCF of what is the given two number? 196 and 38220. So, what is the HCF? 196. So, this is the result for second sum. I hope understood it clear. I hope you all are understood all the steps. Okay. We moving next one. First Roman, third sum. Next sum we are going to see third one. Dear students, what is the given number? The given number is 867 and 255. So, I am going to take which one is larger number? 867. So, I take A. A is 867. So, B is 255. Okay. So, by Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma. What is the formula? A equal to BQ plus R. 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Okay. Now, I am going to substitute it. What is the value of A? 867 equal to 255. We need to find quotient and a remainder. So, 867 divided by 255. 867, 255. How many times it is possible? So, I take 3. 3 5s are 15, remainder 1. 3 5s are 15, 1 16, remainder 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Now, subtract it. 7 minus 5, 2, 0, 1. So, 102 is the remainder. So, substitute the quotient. Q is 3, remainder is 102. The remainder 102 not equal to 0. So, process is continue. 255 comes to dividend, 102 comes to divisor. Okay. So, how many times it is possible? 255 divided by 102. So, I am going to divide. So, I am going to take 2 ma. 2 2s are 4, 2 into 0 0, 1 2s are 2. So, subtract it. 5 minus 4 is 1, here is 5. So, 51 comes remainder. So, what is the quotient is 2. What is the remainder is 51. So, remainder 51 not equal to 0. Yes or no? So, then process is continue. So, 102 comes to dividend. This 51 comes to divisor. So, how many times it is possible? So, divide it. 102, 51. 2 times ma. 51 2s are 102. 51 into 2, 102. So, remainder will come 0. So, therefore, the remainder is 0. Therefore, HCF of, so what is the given numbers? 867 and 255, which is equal to, what is the divisor? 51 is the divisor. So, this is our answer. I hope you all are understood. Okay. Moving on, next one. Dear students, next sum we are going to see example 1, use Euclid division algorithm finding HCF of 4052 and 12576. Solution. So, which is the larger number for given number? Given 12576 is the larger number. So, I am going to take A 12576. I am going to take B, the smaller number 4052. Okay. By using Euclid division lemma. By using Euclid division lemma. So, what is the formula? A equal to BQ plus R, remainder 0 less than or equal to or less than B. Am I right? So, substitute the value ma. So, what is the value of A? 12576, which is equal to, what is the divisor? 4052. So, we need to find divisor, quotient and remainder. So, I am going to divide 12576 divided by, so what is the divisor? We are taking 4052. I am going to put the number is 3 because of 4 3s are 12. So, that is why I am taking 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15, remainder 1, here is 0. So, put the remainder. Next, 4 3s are 12. So, subtract the value. 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 5 comes 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. So, 12 minus 12 0. So, what we are getting remainder is 420. So, substitute, what is the quotient is 3. Remainder is 420. Am I right? So, remainder 420 not equal to 0. So, then the process will continue. So, now I am going to take 4052 is the dividend. 420 comes to divisor. Now, we are going to divide it. 4052, divide the value. What is the divisor is? 420. Okay. Next, I am going to put 9. 9 into 0, 0. 9 2s are 18, remainder 1. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 1, 37. Okay, dears. So, subtract the value. Subtract the value. Here is 2. Here comes 15. Yes or no? Here is 3. Now is 10. Now 9. Here is 15. Take the borrow. So, 15 minus 8 is 7. Here is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So, what is the remainder? We are getting 272. The quotient is 9. So, apply, put here. Substitute the value. 9 is the quotient. What is the remainder? We are getting 272. So, remainder 272 not equal to 0. So, then process continue. 420 which is equal to 272 comes to the divisor. 272. Okay. Divide the value. 420 equal to 272 divided by 272. So, this is possible for one time. So, divide the value 1 into 272, 272. So, what is the remainder we are getting? 10 minus 8 is 10 minus 2 is 8. Now, here is 1. So, take the borrow 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Here is 3. Now is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, 148 is the remainder. So, what is the quotient? 1. Remainder is 148 years. Remainder 148 not equal to 0. Then process is continue. So take 272 is the dividend and 148 comes to divisor. 148 because of A equal to BQ plus R, Euclid division lemma. So 272 divided by 148. 272 divided by 148. This is possible for one time only. So 1 into 148 is 148. So subtract the value correctly. Take the borrow. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now here is 6. 6 minus 4 will come 2. Here is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 is the remainder. So what is the quotient is 1. The remainder is 124. Remainder 124 not equal to 0. So then process is continue. 148 will come dividend and 124 will come divisor. So divide the value correctly. 148 divided by 124. 148 divided by 124. This is also possible one time only. So 1 into 124, 124. So what is the subtraction value? 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. Yes, it is correct. 1 into 124, 124. So subtract value, we got it 24. So substitute the value DS. So what is the quotient is 1. Remainder is 24. So next 124 comes to the dividend, 24 comes to the divisor. Because of the remainder 24 not equal to 0. Yes or no? Not equal to 0. So 124 comes to the dividend, 24 comes to the divisor. So continue the step. So what is the quotient and the remainder? Divide the value. 124 divided by 24. 124 divided by 24. So 5 is the possible. So multiply it. 5 4s are 20, remainder 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So what is the remainder we are getting? 4. Quotient is 5, remainder is 4. The remainder 4 not equal to 0. Okay. Last step, 24 comes to the dividend, which is equal to 4 comes to the divisor. So 4, we need to find quotient and a remainder. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Then we get remainder is 0. Therefore the remainder is 0. Therefore HCF of what is the given numbers? 4052, 12576 is what is the HCF of the given number? Take the divisor. A equal to BQ plus R, Q is the divisor, divisor is the only for HCF. So what is the divisor is 4, the HCF of given number is 4. Understood all of you? I hope you all are understood it. I put steps is very clear. If you like this our video, please subscribe our channel with bell icon and share with your friends ma. Okay. Thank you dear students. Thank you. See you soon. Thank you ma.